In this dramatic Ring doorbell recording, 3 masked individuals are seen attempting to break into a house under the cover of night. Just as they make their move, the home's alarm system goes off, startling the intruders and causing them to flee in haste.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
In this chilling nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured lurking around a house, searching for a way to break in. The recording documents his suspicious behavior as he peeks through the windows, raising alarms about the potential threat to the homeowner's safety.
Second Memorial. We're going to
Can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Second the Memorial. We're going to everything.
In this startling Ring doorbell clip, a porch pirate is caught in the act as he steals a package left outside a homeowner's door. The footage shows the thief casually walking away as if nothing happened, despite the homeowner's urgent warnings.
Hey, hey! I have you on video! I have you on video! I have you on video!
In this inspiring Ring doorbell footage, a delivery guy transforms into an unexpected hero as he chases down a porch pirate who has just stolen a package he delivered. The recording captures the thrilling moment as he confronts the thief and successfully retrieves the stolen item.
I ain't got bro! Why your fault? You took that man's bro! No, I don't want you did, bro! Whoever took that man's go give it to him, bro! Where the voice from? Where the out with that bitch? Don't tell that man that! Don't tell that man that! Don't tell that man that, cause that's my job, bro! I know, bro! Don't tell that man that, bro! I don't have nothing on you. Bro, you owe that man! Oh God! Oh, you get your over here, bro! Don't make me pull your over, bro! Where's she at? She lives over there. That's 132. That's the apartment number. No, go, bro! You got to, bro! I ain't calling the police, bro! I'm no! My grandma. That's my job! I'm sorry. I don't want to do that.
In this eerie Ring doorbell recording, a group of guys is seen creeping around a house in the dead of night, moving stealthily from one spot to another. The unsettling footage raises questions about their intentions. In this shocking Ring doorbell footage, a group of guys is captured forcefully kicking down someone's door in the dead of night, gaining unauthorized access to the property. In this bold daytime Ring doorbell recording, a woman is seen attempting to break into a house without any hesitation. In this startling nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a porch pirate is caught red-handed as she steals valuable items that have just been delivered to the rightful owner.
Viewers, you can send your creepy footage to Creepy Chronicle and subscribe to our channel for more eyes-opening contents.
In this revealing Ring doorbell recording, a man is captured in broad daylight as he steals valuable items from a construction site. The footage documents his brazen theft, leading to his declaration as a wanted individual. In this unsettling nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a guy is caught creeping around someone's property, moving stealthily from one yard to another. His furtive behavior raises suspicions about his hidden intentions. In this alarming Ring doorbell footage, a guy is captured breaking into a cafe at night, taking advantage of the darkness to commit his crime. The recording documents him stealing food and money, revealing the audacity of his actions. In this shocking nighttime Ring doorbell recording, a man is seen breaking into a parked car, searching for valuable items. The footage captures him as he swiftly steals belongings, including cash left inside. In this chilling nighttime Ring doorbell footage, two men are seen successfully breaking into a house under the cover of darkness. The recording captures their stealthy approach and the moment they gain entry. In this disturbing Ring doorbell footage, a man is caught stealing packages from a disabled individual, taking advantage of the victim's vulnerability. The recording documents the brazen theft as the perpetrator remains unaware that he is being recorded. In this dramatic Ring doorbell footage, a homeowner's camera captures the shocking moment a loud explosion rocks the street as a plane crashes just across from their house.
God, it's right out down the street!
In this alarming daytime Ring doorbell recording, two men are caught on camera robbing a man on his driveway while brandishing a weapon. The footage captures the terrifying moment, instilling fear in nearby neighbors as they witness the brazen act unfold right in their community. In this heartwarming Ring doorbell footage, a loyal dog becomes an unexpected hero during an evening walk when his owner collapses. The brave pup begins barking and stands in the middle of the road, drawing attention until a passing vehicle stops to offer assistance. In this thrilling Ring doorbell recording, a lady is seen approaching her car with a box of snacks in hand, only to discover a bear comfortably lounging inside. Her startled scream echoes as she swiftly runs away for safety, tossing the snacks to the ground in her panic. This unexpected encounter captures the wild side of nature intruding into everyday life, reminding viewers of the importance of being cautious in bear-populated areas. In this captivating nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a bear and her cubs are seen cautiously creeping in front of someone's house, searching for prey. The recording captures the serene yet tense atmosphere as the wildlife navigates close to human habitats in their quest for food, highlighting the delicate balance between nature and residential life. In this shocking Ring doorbell footage, a delivery man is captured throwing a valuable package onto the ground instead of delivering it safely. The careless act raises concerns about the handling of deliveries, as the homeowner confronts him about his actions.
Hey,
When you throw it like that, half of the cans are unusable. Please don't do that. When you throw the box like that, half of the cans... I've been getting chewy for 5 years, buddy. When you throw it like that, which I've got on film now, half of the cans are dented, and I can't use them.
That's heavy, like, so
I understand
I'm not that
it's
far,
heavy.
so put it like this, so it's heavy, it's really heavy.
I know.
Yeah,
Well, then don't do this for a living.
I know, but it's really heavy, it's just felt like this one.
Every time you guys do that. Every single time.
Me?
Whoever works for FedEx. UPS doesn't do it, the U.S. Postal Service doesn't do it, but FedEx does it every time.
FedEx?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm not doing it like this.
You just did it.
What's this one? It's really heavy, man. If you want to lift this one,
I've been buying the same stuff for 5 years. I know it's heavy. I know it's heavy, but you can't just throw it because it's heavy.
I apologize, okay.
Okay, thank you.
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.